If there's a world where we don't end up together, I'm gonna lose my mind. And if this life really does go on forever, I know I choose you every time. You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me, then tell me how much longer do I have to wait? I'm not getting any stronger, I'm losing my faith. And I could be wrong, but I swear it's true. Yeah, even if the world gives up on us, I won't give up on you.
You want it for everything. I'm taking my time thinking, just so I'm sure what we're doing. 'Cause I don't wanna take it back. We got something that can last. We can mess it up if we keep moving too fast. Oh.
You say you're the only one for me, yeah.
Good morning, guys. So today is on Monday. It's actually 5 going to 5:30. I've just woken up. I was to wake up at 4, but I didn't manage to wake up at 4 because with sleep I do love sleeping. So I've woken up at 5. And today is a special day in my life because it's the first day that I'm going to start reading news, and I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this day for so long. So I have to wake up early, prepare myself, cook whatever I'm cooking for my business. So and make sure that I leave the house early so that I can plan myself, because I also have some other things to be doing. This is what we actually prayed for, so that we may go back and do what we're supposed to be doing, and God has been doing it, and so we don't have any excuse rather than actually doing it. So today will be my first day reading news, actually anchoring news live on air, and I've been practicing, but I don't know if I'm ready. I really don't know. Maybe I will put a short, maybe you guys will see whatever I have done. Maybe I will put a short clip here, or you will just see me out there. So if you're not following me, guys, please make an effort of following me. All my social handles: Instagram, Blessed Money. Here on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you like this video, you share it with your friends, and also you press the notification button. In case I upload any new video, you're going to be the first person to get notified. And any other platform, you can follow me over there. I will just leave the link down below, and every link that you're supposed to follow me. So let me just start doing whatever I'm doing, and then we continue.
We got something that can last. We can mess it up if we keep moving too fast. Oh.
You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me, then tell me how much longer do I have to wait? I'm not getting
How are you? It's been long time coming. Nimetakanga sana nikwe kwa hivi. Nashukuru.
Where are we going?
Tunaenda nyumbani.
Wote tunaenda nyumbani. We are going to take her for a walk.
So mnaona baridi. We are going home.
But we are going home. Hi Leah. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi to Vicky's vlog.
If there's a world where we don't end up together, I'm gonna lose my mind. And if this life really does go on forever, I know I choose you every time. You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me, then tell me how much longer do I have to wait? I'm not getting any stronger, I'm losing my faith. And I could be wrong, but I swear it's true. Yeah, even if the world gives up on us, I won't give up on you.
You want a forever thing. I'm taking my time thinking, just so I'm sure what we're doing. 'Cause I don't wanna take it back. We got something that can last. We can mess it up if we keep moving too fast. Oh,
You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me, then tell me how much longer do I have to wait? I'm not getting any stronger, I'm losing my faith. And I could be wrong, but I swear it's true. Yeah, even if the world gives up on us, I won't give up on you. Tell me how much longer do I have to wait?
I'm not getting any stronger. I'm losing my faith.
And I could be wrong, but I swear it's true. Yeah, even if the world gives up on us, I won't give up on you. If there's a world where we don't end up together, I'm gonna lose my mind. And if this life really does go on forever,